Hi folks, I am solving Leetcode's top 150 questions, and that's all you need for your coding interviews. In this video, we'll be solving 678 valid parenthesis string. We are given a string S containing only three types of character: left parenthesis, right parenthesis, and this star. And we have to return true if string S is valid. And there are a bunch of rules that is given, like left parenthesis should be closed by the right parenthesis, and any right parenthesis will have corresponding left parenthesis, and left parenthesis must go before the right parenthesis. So all of these three. But the tricky part of the problem comes from this star in the string. So this star could be treated as either left parenthesis, right parenthesis, or an empty string. So let's see this example. This is true because one left, one right. This is also true because one left, one right, and we can pretty much use empty string as the star. On the third example, the star is being used as left parenthesis. So that's why we will return true. Now let's look at this example and let's think about how we are gonna solve this. And a brute force way to solve this would be our decision tree will look something like, let's say we start from the left parenthesis. So we have got three choices in the second one. Either it could be a left, or it could be an empty string, or it could be the right one. And again, in the end, we have the right one. So yeah, so out of these three paths, this path is valid because this is two left, one right. So this is not valid, and this is also not valid. The time complexity for this approach, since we got three choices to make, it's 3 raised to the power n. And we can easily optimize it by memoizing our index and the left open parentheses at any given point in time. And this makes the time complexity from 3 raised to the power n to n cube. But we do have a better approach, and that is by using greedy. So let's take this example for our greedy approach. So we are gonna have this variable called left, and initially it will be 0. And we will start iterating through this string. When we are here, we have this one open parenthesis. We will update from this 0 to 1. Now on this star right here, there could be multiple possibilities. Either this could be a left parenthesis. If it's a left parenthesis, then this will be 2, or this could be a right parenthesis. So if this is the right parenthesis, it could be 0 because left and right cancelled and 0. Now let's move on. We have this right parenthesis. So this will become 1 and this will become -1. But we can't really make the minimum this value as -1, and I'll explain you in a bit why. So let's continue iterating. We again have this wildcard here. So either this could be a left parenthesis. If that's the case, then this could be 2, or else this could be 0. So as in when this will become -1, we will update this back to 0. Now you see technically we have two values. One is 0, another one is this 2 right here. So yeah, and here if we go on, it will be 2 plus 1, 3, and then again 2. So this will be 2, or if we go this route, this will be again 0 because 1 here and -1 here. So we are left with these two values, and we will call this left min and left max. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, you can consider subscribing to this channel. And thank you so much for watching.